Hey y'all, it's Brandon from Faith Focus Family. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about getting close to God and sensing that closeness to God. In a world we have a lot of distractions. We have a lot of things pulling our attention. We have a lot of stresses. We have a lot of anxiety. We have a lot of things that clearly the Bible tells us we're not supposed to do, right? Like be anxious, like fear, like worry. And a lot of times for me, I know that I want to feel closer and nearer to God, but then I don't really dedicate any time in order to do that. Today I want to break down some simple ways to draw yourself closer to God today and feel a little bit closer. The first thing is to get in His Word. This year I've dedicated myself to reading the Bible in a year, and I've actually never read the Bible in a year. I've read a lot of different parts throughout all the years, but I've never read it in a year. And is it a commitment? Yes. Is it drawing me closer to God? Also, yes. I feel so much closer being in the Word every day and having it in my heart and placing it in my heart and placing it in my mind and getting to the place where I can kind of see the Bible and biblical truths more clearly. So if you're not getting in the Word daily, I would challenge you to do it daily. At least weekly, you need to be getting in the Word to feel closer to God. Because otherwise, there's no way for us to know whether He's there or not if we don't understand how He's speaking to us and speaking through us. The second thing is to pray. And I know a lot of us, again, are distracted. We don't have the time to pray. We don't have the time to maybe even read the Bible. The first thing I said here. We don't have the time to sit down and have a quiet space and have that time with the Lord. But without doing that, you won't have closeness. The Lord calls us to a relationship with Him, which means a one-on-one relationship that we need to be close together in community and to know Him and to come to Him as our Father. But if you don't give any time or space or energy to do that, and you're not actively praying daily, then it's going to be really difficult to be close to God. God calls us to pray continuously. I've been trying to work into my life each decision I make and know not to like what meal I'm going to eat or what drink I'm going to have, but more so bigger decisions that have an impact on the rest of my day, that have an impact on the other people around me. I stop for just 30 seconds, 15 seconds even, and say a quick prayer to God and ask Him to lead me, to lead my path, to make my path straight. And again, just those normal, regular, everyday connections allow you to feel His presence and to feel closer to Him. The last thing is just to be still, to have still moments. I do this at 5 a.m. when I first wake up because I have to do it before my day starts, because then all the hustle and bustles and to-dos and my kids and my wife and all my responsibilities, they get in the way. But in the morning, I can piece out a quiet moment to have some time with the Lord, to spend some time in quiet reflection, just to listen. If you know me at all, you know I love to talk, but a lot of times in those moments, I sit and I just listen. I take some time to read my Bible. I pray and I listen. I do all these 3 things, and all these 3 things allow me to get closer to God. So I challenge you to try even one of these things, because I think you'd be surprised at what an impact it can have on your life. It certainly has an impact on mine. We'll be praying for all y'all. We love y'all. I'll see you on the next video.